Money. Order money in pounds and pence. When comparing or ordering values of money, we need to make sure they have the same units of measure. We can only compare apples with apples. Put the following values of money in order from smallest to largest. 56p, 17p, 68p and 34p. All these values are in pence using the p. So we can ignore the pence sign and order the values as we would for any numbers. Make sure we read the question. This one is asking from smallest to largest. So the smallest value is 17, then 34, then 56 and the largest is 68p. Put the following values of money in order from largest to smallest. Remember, we can only compare apples with apples and all these values are in pounds. They have the pound sign. So start by looking first at the pound value and order these as you would any numbers. Notice it says from largest to smallest this time. The largest pound value is the £6.30, then the 5. Now we have two with the same pound value, so we need to look at the pence and order those as we would for any numbers, 50 and 10. The next largest is 50 and finally the smallest is £3.10. Let's look at a harder example. Put the following values of money in order from largest to smallest. These values are not all the same units. Some are in pounds and some are in pence. And remember, we can only compare apples with apples. So first, we need to convert them all to the same units. Let's use pence. Remember, £1 equals 100 pence. Let's look at £3.48. To multiply by 100, with 2 zeros, we move the digits 2 places to the left. 1, 2. So £3.48 equals 348p. Now let's convert the other pounds. £5.21. If we put it into our columns and multiply by 100, move the digits 2 places to the left, we end up with 521p. Now they're all converted to pence, we can start to compare them. Read the question, it's from largest to smallest. We can order the values as we would for any numbers. This question asks from largest to smallest, so the largest value is 1041p. The next largest, then, is 521p. But we need to make sure to remember to use the values in the question, so we put in £5.21. The next largest is 405p, and finally, the smallest, £3.48. Remember, when comparing or ordering money, we need to make sure they have the same units, pounds or pence. We can only compare apples with apples. And read the question carefully. Is it asking for largest to smallest or smallest to largest? Use the values given in the question and not the values that we've converted to.